shall start an introduction to motion control. We call that drive with its terminals and the motor. If you have in your project only one drive, and if you have more than one drive, have several drives. And this is the drive itself with its terminal. One of the application for motion control, we call it flying saw. We cut an object, the saw carriage itself moves with the object to save time. The same, it's a flying saw. The saw carriage starts to move with the object, the metal bar, and at a certain specific distance it will start to cut this bar, while the carriage moves with the bar, as you see. The carriage moves with the bar. As soon as it finishes its job, go back, go home, to start a new cycle. Another application, call it MIR. Final position, and we'll start again a new cycle. This lathe machine, CNC, several axis work in synchronized control system. And a robot, industrial robot. Let's go to TIA 16, which is a little bit slow. Choose your CPU. Notice that T, technology, T. And go to probabilities. Assign the address for connection. Notice 1. The drive, properties, the address here, 2. If you have only one drive, you have some blocks here. MC means motion control, power, reset, and enable or disable technology object. Reset, acknowledge of alarms, and restart technology object. Home, set home position, set home mechanical position, and depends only on the mood, and so on. Absolute, its absolute position, and so on. Drag the block to its network and assign a name, address tag. For power, for reset, for home position, for hold, absolute. Notice that the tag here, it is a function block. In case of one drive, put the tag with its memory bit, byte 200, bit 5. Again, this is the power, this is the home, this is the tag for execute, and the memory byte 200, bit 4 for execute, and so on for all the blocks. Remove absolutely. As soon as you finished, go back to OB1 and call an FB. It is FB. Notice the positioning axis, it's only one drive. But in case you have several drives and each one works individually, so you will need more function blocks with 8 blocks like move and home and power. In such a case, we can create only one FB and put all the blocks which we needed. Do not assign a tag with a memory word. Enable power. The difference here. Execute home, position home. There is no memory word or bit. As soon as you finish all the blocks, go back to OB1 and call this block. In such a case, you will find different block like that. This is in case several drives and you want to save the other programs. Repeat the block for another drive and so on. Start simulation. Now load to the simulator. And you will get these green lines, means it's okay and it's simulated. You can change modify to 1. True. Execute reset. True, and so on. This is for more than one drive individuals. This is for only one drive. You cannot control the blocks for home or speed from OB. you should go to the OB itself. You can start the axis, power, the axis, true, and so on. So you can control only one drive from its own FB, function block. And in case of many or several drives, you have your main OB from this function block, which contains all the blocks which you need. This is an introduction only to give you an idea about motion control. Next video, I will illustrate every part in details. Please share it, and watch it, and comment. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send me.